AS evaluation question number 7. Looking back at your preliminary task, what have you learned in the progression from it to the final product? Looking back at my preliminary task, I have learnt that the key to progression from the beginning to the final product is precision. Initially, when I started the course, I would generalise how I preferred my product to turn out, which made it hard when I got down to creating my product. The preliminary task helps me with my final product, as I have effectively learnt how to use Adobe InDesign and Adobe Photoshop to create a satisfying product. In addition, I have learnt how to research what I want my product to look like in detail. Finding exactly what I wanted on the internet proved to be impossible, so I learnt how to mix some features of one magazine with features of another to create my final product. This has helped me to distinguish between what I want my product to look like and what will actually sell in the music magazine market. I had an idea of what I wanted my product to look like initially, and due to a lack of precise research, I had to alter my focus to create my final product. With the photography aspect of the magazine, I learnt that the first photo shoot could not fulfill my intentions for the final product. I therefore had to have 2 more photo shoots before I was content with what I had done. I also learnt that the models I use have to be very reliable, as in the future I may need more than 1 photo shoot, so I need to be satisfied with the models that I pick. Similarly, I have learnt that I must maintain a good relationship with models, as for this task they were not paid and it is time consuming and it is a lot of effort, so they must be consistent. The photos I took also have to be very similar, if not identical, to my research. I have learnt how to effectively create and diminish lighting shadows using the LED lights, which have helped me to create my final product. The preliminary task has helped me become more comfortable with the programs such as Adobe Photoshop and Adobe InDesign, and I am now rather pleased with my product. Improvements could be made, such as reshooting my main model, Nav, however this could not happen. Also, the way I took my photos will need to improve in the future to create a perfect look. Lastly, in the future I feel that the location of where I took my shoots should be more open, as the second photo shoot was not so great due to the background. To conclude, I have learnt various things in the progression to my final product, such as precision, detailed research and loyal models help in the process of producing my final product. I can improve myself by taking more shoots in the future and having close to perfect pictures by taking more shoots.